Hello there, how are you doing? I'm Mahdi Ibrahimi, and today in this video we're gonna learn how to be a master in Linux texts. So, first of all, why do we need to know how to deal with texts in Linux? Basically, everything in Linux is a text file. Your screen brightness, your volume level, your, I don't know, uh, keyboard background light, and everything is just a simple text file. You can find anything as a text somewhere, somehow, and when you can deal with them, you could be a powerful man behind your computer. In this chain of tutorials, we're gonna learn how to use uh, grep, grep, and awk or awk, and sed or seed, and maybe xargs and some other things. After learning that, we're gonna gain very good knowledge about how to deal with texts in Linux, how to deal with output of other commands and give them to another commands to do something, use pipelines and other stuff. So basically, first we're gonna learn grep and awk, and then in the next step we're gonna learn something about seed. And in the middle of all of these tutorials, we're gonna learn how to use xargs. That's a very powerful tool to use pipelines and give some information to another command and get some information from another commands and so on. Grep is used to filter output text or actually search in some files. For example, you have a big log file and you want to search for a specific user ID. You can use grep. You found that line including the special user ID. You want to cut it to small pieces. You can use awk. So awk is basically separator. Is a it separates your output. It will cut it down to small pieces, and with seed you can edit the output. You can change it. With grep and awk, you can just filter your output. When you're using sed, you can edit some files. You can edit some config files. You can change an IP into lots of config files, change it from X to Y and other things. And with our xargs, you can pass those output to another command. Let's step a little bit further and see how we can use them. Let me clear my screen. Um, Here, I want to open an application called Evans. It's a simple PDF viewer, defaults in Ubuntu and Debian, I think. And let me open my terminal. So, you know that we can use ps aux command to list all of our processes. And we will see here we have tilix, we have bash, we have gromit mpx, and we have some information about that, including PID. What is PID? PID means process ID. With PID, you can do lots of things with that process, change its status or kill it, lots of other things. Here, if we want to search for events in this big output, we can use grep. Basically, we can use grep like this, PSAUX pipeline and grep events. You will see that it filtered the result to lines that include events. So here I just need the PID of this line. So I can use another pipe and I use awk to filter that to the second word in any line. We use awk, print $1, we will get the herald of here. The first word is herald, so we need the second word of any line. So basically we have the PID of all these three lines, but I need the PID of the first line. So we can use head dash N1, or we can still use our awk commands. NR means a number of records less than 2. Number of records less than 2. NR awk syntax at the near. Oh, you have to put NR here. NR less than 2. You're good. And now we have 15435 PID, which is belong to this Evans PDF viewer. How we can kill that process? Simply by using kill and PID, we can kill a process. And here we want to give the output of these chain of commands to kill process, to kill command. We use another pipe and xargs and then kill. So by clicking enter, we will be able to, how we can move, we'll be able to kill these events. So now, Allahu Akbar, simply we killed the events application by a simple one-line command. That's the power of editing texts and outputs and give it to another command. So in next videos, we're gonna learn about grep. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your other friends. Thanks for watching me and goodbye.